Thanks for tuning in again, guys. I'm going to do something a little different today. I promise I've got a good repair video coming up soon. I wanted to show you. This is just part of our field. Way overgrown. We didn't plant this year. So anyhow, I've got to cut this grass. I've got to get rid of all this. So first step, I'm going to have to cut all this, and then we're going to till it in, but that ain't happening today. We're talking about cutting grass. Sorry about the background noise. It's our little crossroad we use for the golf cart. That grass is thicker than you think. You're going to see when you see this mower go up in there. This Gravely, we rebuilt the engine. It's got a KAWASAKI FR691V. Had a bad crankshaft, not the customer. The person ran out of oil. We bought this machine and we're going to try it out and we're going to put it to work. You'll be able to see how deep this actually is. Never done a grass cutting video, so let's give her a shot and see what happens. Y'all click that subscribe. Check us out. I'm going to put you on fast forward. You guys listen to some music and let's see if this Gravely will tackle this field. Well, we've been using this old John Deere 42-inch for this property for a long time, and anyhow, we ran across this machine on Marketplace for very reasonable. The engine ran out of oil. It did not break the block or anything, so we purchased it and rebuilt this engine. Here's a little view of what come out of it. Crankshaft obviously shot. Rods, yeah, they had at least another, no, they didn't have any more time left. You couldn't even see the ridges on the rings, the top ring. There was almost nothing left. So new rods, rings, crankshaft, and we just went through it, cleaned it all up, put it back together, and here we go. Hope you guys enjoy that. This little gravely, she did pretty good. Yep, 52-inch. Little small mower. It's not quite a commercial, but it's almost. Got the nice commercial deck. The little Kawasaki, she never bogged once. Looks a little better. Y'all click that subscribe button. We're gonna have you some more repair videos out very soon. I'm gonna go cut the rest of this grass. Y'all enjoy your afternoon. We'll see you. Thanks for tuning in.